Hello all, welcome back to Audiology with Khwaja. Today's question under Quick Quest with Khwaja is, do I need PC responses to fit hearing aids? Let's get into the video. For this video, I used the Signia software and the prescription formula used was NAL NL2. Firstly, I plotted audiogram right side without any BC and left side with BC. In the first scenario, I took 50 dB sensory neural hearing loss as an example. When I compared the gain values, it didn't have even a single dB difference, and it really didn't matter whether I include the BC responses or not. But this is for the sensory neural hearing loss, and I wanted to know whether this applies to conductive and mixed loss also. When we get into the second scenario of having right side pure conductive hearing loss, which means the BC was marked at 0 dB HR, and on the left side you had 50 dB sensory neural hearing loss, and there was a huge difference in the gain values. The third scenario, we compared the conductive and the mixed on the left side, and again there were differences. So when we compare these three graphs, I get to know that the conductive hearing loss needs more gain when compared to the mixed hearing loss, and when compared to sensory hearing loss, the sensory neural requires even lesser gain than the mixed hearing loss. Now it becomes clear that adding BC is very important when the loss is mixed or conductive, and it really didn't have any difference when it's a pure SN hearing loss. Another interesting thing that I want to share with you is what I found in the compression table. On the right side, we had pure conductive loss and there was no compression happening. But on the left side, when we had the pure sensory neural hearing loss, it had the compression implemented. Why? Because when the software tried to compensate for the hearing loss, it takes into consideration the linearity of the conductive component. But when it is a cochlear pathology, then it takes into consideration the nonlinear nature of the cochlea, and hence the compression is implemented. If you have new information about this topic, feel free to drop it in the comment section. That will help us to understand the topic better. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.